Alafia, I am Tosinga and I bring you daily Yoruba proverbs, sayings, and expressions. Ẹni tó bá dákẹ́, tara ẹ̀ á bá dákẹ́. Ẹni tó bá dákẹ́, tara ẹ̀ á bá dákẹ́. Literal English meaning. Whoever remains silent, dákẹ́ is to be quiet or to remain silent. Tara ẹ̀ á bá dákẹ́, anything that involves that has to do with that person will be silent. Implied meaning: open your mouth and speak when you're going through. Don't bear burdens alone. Speak, or forever remain silent. No, speak, open up, share your burdens with other people who can, help you, advise you, and share the burden with you. Don't carry the heavy load by yourself. Closed mouths don't get fed. Literally, closed mouths don't get fed. Speak, open up. That's what that proverb implies. Iriel.